Do you want a tutorial on how you can get Envato for free? Well, this tutorial video is just for you. Envato is a globally renowned online community that offers a wide range of creative resources, tools, and skilled individuals. Whether you are looking for graphic templates, website themes, photos, videos, or audio, you are likely to come across something from Envato today. This could range from a logo for a local cafe to a title sequence for a major Hollywood production. And its elements are one of its best assets. So for today, I'll teach you how to get it for free. Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get Envato elements for free. So, what you want to do is to create your account. You can visit elements.envato.com and sign up using Google account or create a new account. Once you have an account, you gain access to certain free elements. Once you have created your account, we will now proceed to our following steps. So, another method you can do is to simply check your Envato account. Checking your account for free downloads is what I am talking about. Envato Elements occasionally offers freebies to its members. By regularly checking your account, you may find that you have access to a limited number of elements that you can download for free. Another way for you to do it is by utilizing external tools. In this tutorial, we will be using a website called Expert Tool that allows you to download Envato Elements assets for free. You can copy the link of the asset you want to download, visit expert-tool.com, and paste the link to download the asset without paying. It also suggests searching for coupon codes to get discounts on Envato Elements subscriptions. So, for you to do that, what you want to do is to look for a template that you are interested in. As for me, I will be selecting this one. As you can see in here, it says that you have to subscribe first to access their product. But just as I said earlier, we have something to deal with that. What you are going to do now is to copy the page link. Then, open up a new tab called experttool.com. In here, you can download a lot of things on the internet for free. So, what you are going to do is to type in Envato in the search bar right here. And then, you will load up into the Envato Elements downloader. So, what you are going to press is the download. And it will take you to the downloading page. Now, remember that link that this is the page where you will be inserting the Envato link. Once you have pasted your link, press download and wait for it to install. So easy, right? Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now get Envato Elements for free in 2023. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.